Hello, my name is Mike Bruno. I am Director of Project Management at Vector Systems. My role centers around managing customer requirements. So we take the project from even before it's awarded, and we manage the processes and handoffs through all the departments and all the stakeholders within the company. One of our principal roles is to define time, scope, and budget. Our sales team does an amazing job at designing the jobs, pre-designing jobs, and our role is to define what sales has committed to the customer and what the customer specifications are and requirements are, and then develop a schedule that will deliver the customer's requirements on time and in scope. Our projects are very customized, so there's a lot of detailed engineering and very specific component parts that we have to coordinate. A lot of these have long lead items, so a project manager's role starts really early in the process. A lot of times we're having to work with our supply chain, vendors to determine requirements and then make sure that those are going to meet the deliverable requirements for production to get the product out on time. One of the biggest parts of our role is communication. So we are the central link between the customers and then all our internal stakeholders, whether that's all the departments. A lot of times there's decisions that have to be made during the engineering phase, production phase. And so the project manager is key in communicating customer requirements or any changes that the customer may need, whether it's sizing or specific components that need to be changed to meet that may be a customer's site-specific requirements. The project manager does have to early on determine if there's any potential impacts to schedule or to budget. Delivery is often compressed, so we're working with a really tight schedule, and so we have to manage any potential risks that could impact any of those deliverable issues. One of the things that makes this really rewarding is we get to take this project from a concept, customers specific, to a quality finished product at the end of the project. A lot of times it takes a lot of technical interface from our project managers. Most of our project managers have an engineering or technical background, and so we're kind of the final review process to make sure that we're meeting and fulfilling every one of our customers' needs. At the end of the day, our role is simple. Make sure it's on time and make sure that we're delivering a quality product that meets every customer's specifications.